Remember, glowing skin isn't just about product. It is all about how you treat yourself daily. Hey Glow Babes, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Estalia. I am all about growing up naturally from the inside out. Today I'm sharing exact body care routine that helped me achieve smooth radiant skin. No filter, just result. I didn't always have smooth skin. I used to deal with dullness, rough patches, and uneven tone until I got serious about my skincare and switched to ingredients that really nourish. Let's be real, we are not taught enough about how to take care of our skin, especially our body, not just the face. Once I realized glowing skin is about consistency and hydration, everything shifts. Taking care of your body is self-love, and when you pour love into your skin daily, it starts to glow back. These are some of the game changer ingredients or products I use. This is turmeric shea butter, and it's from Estalia Skin. Shea butter is rich in vitamin A and E, deeply moisturized and perfect for all skin types. My daily body care. My morning routine starts with a gentle cleanser, moisturizing body wash, and also exfoliate 2 or 3 times a week. I use DIY scrub with turmeric and brown sugar. While my skin still dark, I apply a little body lotion. Then I seal in the moisture with Hair Glow oil. That is my glow trick. And at night, I use thicker body butter, especially turmeric shea butter. Sometimes I dry brush before my shower to boost circulation and remove dead skin. I apply product in upward stroke to keep everything firm and smooth. Let me put you all to my go products that have changed my skin. African black soap, containing a lot of natural ingredients, which if I'm going to say in this video, the video will take longer, but it contains turmeric, honey, and a lot of goodies that will make your skin very, very beautiful. And lastly, this is what I apply on my face for protecting me from the sun. Skincare is for a long-term glow. Drink your water. Drink your water. I said it in my previous video. Drinking water helps the skin glow from within to out. I know, but it is real. Be consistent. You won't see overnight magic, but give your skin 21 days. Track your progress. I use my glow up journal to document what is working and what is not. Eat for your skin. Fruits, healthy fats, and less sugar made a huge difference for me. Remember, glowing skin isn't just about product. It is all about how you treat yourself daily. Love your skin, stay hydrated, and stay consistent. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Drop your favorite body care product in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Also, check out my glow up journal. It is packed with skincare routine, affirmation, space to track your journal. Link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye bye.